Welcome to Zoom in Data. In this session, we will discuss Databricks REST APIs and automation, which is an important topic for real-world enterprise implementations and Databricks interviews. Databricks REST APIs allow engineers and administrators to programmatically interact with the Databricks platform, automate repetitive tasks, integrate external systems, and manage resources efficiently. Automation using APIs improves consistency, reduces manual effort, and enables scalable platform management. This subtopic focuses on how Databricks REST APIs work, what operations they support, and how automation is used in production environments. Subscribe to Zoom in Data to continue structured and practical learning of Databricks concepts. What are Databricks REST APIs? Databricks REST APIs are programmatic interfaces to interact with the Databricks platform. They allow external tools and scripts to control Databricks resources. APIs expose functionality for jobs, clusters, notebooks, and users. This enables automation and system integration. Why are REST APIs important in Databricks? Manual management does not scale in large environments. APIs allow repeatable and consistent operations. Automation reduces human errors. Enterprises rely on APIs for platform orchestration. What common tasks can be automated using Databricks APIs? Cluster creation and termination can be automated. Jobs can be scheduled and monitored programmatically. Workspace objects can be managed automatically. User and permission management becomes scalable. How do Databricks REST APIs support DevOps practices? APIs enable infrastructure as code workflows. Changes can be version controlled and automated. CI/CD pipelines can deploy Databricks assets. This improves reliability and deployment speed. What is authentication when using Databricks APIs? Authentication verifies the identity of the API caller. Secure tokens are used to access APIs. Tokens represent authorized users or service accounts. This prevents unauthorized API usage. What are personal access tokens in Databricks? Personal access tokens authenticate API requests. They replace usernames and passwords. Tokens can be rotated for security. This provides secure programmatic access. How does authorization work with Databricks APIs? API actions follow the same permission rules as the UI. Users can only perform allowed operations. Unauthorized requests are rejected. This ensures security consistency. What APIs are available for cluster management? APIs allow creating, editing, and deleting clusters. Cluster state can be monitored programmatically. Autoscaling settings can be controlled. This supports dynamic resource management. How do Databricks APIs help with job automation? Jobs can be created and triggered using APIs. Job status and execution history can be retrieved. Failures can be detected automatically. This enables automated pipeline orchestration. What is the Jobs API in Databricks? The Jobs API manages scheduled workloads. It supports job creation, updates, and execution. Job runs can be monitored programmatically. This is essential for production automation. How are notebooks managed using Databricks APIs? Notebooks can be imported and exported via APIs. Versioned deployments are supported. Automated updates ensure consistency across environments. This improves development workflows. What is workspace automation in Databricks? Workspace automation manages folders and notebooks. Access permissions can be applied programmatically. Environments can be provisioned consistently. This is useful for large teams. How do Databricks APIs support monitoring and alerting? APIs expose a job and cluster status. External monitoring tools can consume this data. Alerts can be triggered on failures. This improves operational visibility. How are Databricks APIs used in CI/CD pipelines? Code and notebooks are deployed automatically. Jobs and workflows are updated programmatically. Testing environments are provisioned on demand. This enables continuous delivery. What role do APIs play in environment management? Development, test, and production environments are standardized. Configuration drift is minimized. Environments can be recreated reliably. This improves operational consistency. How do Databricks APIs help reduce operational costs? Clusters can be shut down automatically when idle. Resource usage can be optimized programmatically. Manual intervention is reduced. This leads to cost-efficient operations. What are common challenges when using Databricks APIs? Improper authentication can cause failures. Error handling must be implemented carefully. API rate limits must be respected. Robust design is required for reliability. How can API usage be secured in Databricks? Tokens should be stored securely. Permissions should follow least privilege principles. Token rotation should be enforced. Access should be audited regularly. How do Databricks APIs integrate with external systems? APIs connect Databricks with orchestration tools. They enable integration with monitoring platforms. External applications can trigger Databricks jobs. This supports end-to-end data workflows. Why are Databricks APIs important for large organizations? Manual operations do not scale across teams. APIs provides centralized automation. Platform governance becomes manageable. Enterprises rely heavily on automation. What interview questions are asked about Databricks APIs? Interviewers ask about automation use cases. Token-based authentication is commonly discussed. Job and cluster automation scenarios appear often. Clear answers show real-world experience. How do APIs improve reliability in Databricks platforms? Automated processes reduce human error. Repeatable deployments improve consistency. Failures are detected and handled quickly. Reliability increases across environments. How does automation improve productivity in Databricks? Engineers focus on data logic instead of manual tasks. Repetitive work is eliminated. Development cycles become faster. Team efficiency improves significantly. What best practices should be followed when using Databricks APIs? Use secure authentication methods. Implement proper error handling. Log API activity for auditing. Design automation for scalability. Why should Databricks engineers master REST APIs and automation? Automation is essential for production systems. APIs enable scalable platform management. Interviewers expect practical automation knowledge. It is a key skill for advanced Databricks roles. If you found this session helpful, like, share, subscribe. More Databricks automation and interview-focused tutorials are coming soon. Stay connected and keep learning with Zoom in Data.